For the evaluate part, there is nothing special here. I just assign the formula to the variables and assign and return these variables. And for SGT part, I created two empty lists. One is train performance list. It is for train performance result of all epochs. The test performance list is for test performance result of all epochs. And we go into this loop. First, we evaluate the training data and assign the result to the list and append this list to train performance list and print the result. And if test data exists, we'll do the same thing and print the test data, test performance result. And if test data does not exist, the test performance list will remain empty. If the accuracy is larger or equal to the term percent, we will break the loop. And finally, we assign train performance list and test performance list to all performance list and return this list. And for backprop part, I create a list activations. It's for all layers, and it's NumPy arrays. They are all zeros, and their second dimension is 1, and their first dimension is corresponding to the element in the sizes. Then I assign I to 0, and we go into this loop. And so this becomes x, which is our input vector. And I assign the sigmoid activation to the second element in the activations, and I increase I by 1. So in the next loop, this activation I will become the activations I plus 1 in the previous loop, so that we can calculate all the layers. And let's see the application code. Let me rerun the kernel, restart the kernel. Yeah, this is from the backprop part, so I will delete I will comment out that part. Yeah. I restart the kernel and see. This is empty list. Looks good. And finally, I guess that's it.